Hello, everyone. I'm trying to pronounce them again. Okay, the b p bl pl and b p m p. Okay, okay. According to the alphabet that I pointed into, put it down to. Okay, let's go. 好，我现在开始就是把那个 b p m p 用一边指一边把它念出来哦。好，因为以前是不太会念的，现在会了。好了，我现在开始念一次哦，预备起 b p m p f p v d t n t l h h 啊 d t pl pl ml pl dl tl g k ng k h g h d ch n g k j q n t x q y z c s c z zh ch sh r。 OK， i u u ü a an o on n yen wen I a ao au l 这比较特别 OK， 然后 I come back to pronounce those with in the beginning. Okay, ready, go. 这是 b p d t bl pl dl tl g k d t g k j q z z z ch. Okay, and these are with nasalized. Okay. I u u a o e. Okay. There should be another one. Okay. Cause let me find the pen. Okay. Here. This is this is a little bit different between them, but this one fitting to e in Hong. Okay, and that's it. Bye bye.